to this event today. There's always a good blend of people who are into the space of usability, user-friendliness, accessibility. So it's a good platform to meet other people who are like-minded and to discover the latest tips and technologies.
Yeah, I think really valuable and insightful and engaging. It's really nice to be face to face with people and meet a lot of different people from different industries. So there's other banks here, there's people just from all over, which is really nice.
It's been extremely thought-provoking, so complex procedures and complex ideas have been summarised in a really accessible way. It's just been fantastic.
The people here make the difference, really personable, make it a great day, great fun day, and there's also that industry standard that you're applying to the day, so it's fabulous.
Fun, lively, great atmosphere, warm, welcoming, very interactive, and absolutely I'll come back next year. I look forward to it.